In this video, I'll show you how to remove a device from your Flow network. Now, as you can see here, whenever I open the Logi Options Plus app and I go to Flow, I have two devices registered to the same network. Now, if you want to remove a device, all you need to do is simply just right-click on the device you wish to remove, and then simply select the option Remove. Once you've done that, you will be prompted. Let's just move this computer to the side. You will be prompted to confirm your choice that you wish to remove the device. So just confirm that, and you'll have successfully removed that device from the Flow app system. If you have just two devices added to the same system, then Logi Flow will be disabled. However, if you have like a third or fourth device, then it will automatically be put as a secondary device. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.